Page number 452, question number 23, I said. Yeah. If d is the distance between the center of the earth of mass m1 and moon of mass m2, then the velocity with which a body should be projected from the midpoint of the line joining the earth and the moon, so that it becomes escape velocity. Options are, फिर से इसको सफाई अभियान शुरू करना पड़ेगा. सफाई अभियान, स्वच्छ भारत, स्वच्छ बोर्ड, स्वच्छ बोर्ड. Sarthak, any idea? Anyone? How to do this question? Give me some gap. Options are root over g into m1 plus m2 divided by g into m1 plus m2 divided by 2d, 2g into m1 plus m2 divided by d, and fourth option is 4g into m1 plus m2 divided by d. So this is what is given. Any idea, Sarthak? How do we proceed? Okay. See, basically what he says, this is our mother earth, this is our Chandra Mama, this is our earth, this is our moon. Okay. You draw a very line connecting these two. Okay. You just draw. So now the distance between moon and earth is 3,85,000 kilometers, and people are now planning to go to moon also, maybe for a trip. यहाँ पे pollution कम हो गया, वहाँ जाके मनाएंगे. So यहाँ से यहाँ के बीच में mid point will be somewhere here. From here you want to launch a missile. This fellow can launch a missile from here. So why he has to go there and launch a missile? But because it is physics, he has put some stupid condition. So we have to find out what is the velocity, escape velocity, if it is projected from here. I keep on telling that you should be very thorough with your derivations, you know. So if you are thorough with derivations, ये सब चमकने लगेगा. While doing the escape velocity, but what was the concept you have used? This is our earth. From here you have projected a missile. So somewhere is the gravitation field, and it went to a point where the total energy becomes zero. It has escaped into space. It is beyond the gravitation field. Gravitation field of what? Earth. Here there are two. So both gravitation field it has to escape. So for both gravitation field it has to escape. Then only it will acquire the escape velocity. This gravitation field is this much. This gravitation field is another this much. Both it has to cross, no? Only crossing earth is not enough. Okay. So let us say, so, huh? Sorry?
In the equation v is equal to under 2gm upon r, we take m. The m should be m under m2.
That's it. That's it. Understood? So from here, let us say it has gone to some this particular point. Okay? So there the total energy must be equal to 0. The total energy must be equal to 0. So the total energy is because of what? So you are projecting from the surface, you are assuming that it is at a distance d. Any d is mentioned? What is the d? D is the point where you are trying to find out actually. Okay. So because of this, what will be? It is Gm. Let us say m is the mass of the earth. It is given as m1 in the question, I think. Mm divided by d. All right, with a minus sign. Because of this, there is a potential energy. We are talking at the surface right now. Gm2 m by d, right? At the surface there is no at the surface, from the surface you are releasing the missile. From the surface means from this point actually. You are not releasing from the surface, you are releasing from this point. Okay? Let us say the velocity is VE half mVE square. This is the total energy at this point. Right? Agree? At this point there will be a potential energy because of this. At this point there will be a potential energy because of this. And because you are projecting with some speed, it will have a kinetic energy also. Now it has escaped into space. So there the total energy will be equal to 0. This will be equal to 0. All these m's will cancel. Now calculate what is V. What is V? V square is equal to G by D m1 plus m2. Right? So V will be equal to root over G m1 m plus G m1 plus m2 by D. Okay? Am I right? You are bringing some 2G and 4G and 5G.
2G on my side.
तो 2 तो नहीं आ रहा है. Is the option 1 correct? Check. First check if the option 1 is correct or not. 4 should be projected from the midpoint of the line of the earth and the moon so that it escapes. And what is D? Is D the distance between them?
Yes. Between the moon and the
Lekin that is not. If D is the distance between the centers of the अच्छा centers of the earth मतलब भाई साहब ये total distance D दिया है तो मुझे D by 2 लिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा गोंडोगोल हो गया. तो बंगाली जैसे गोंडोगोल D by 2 तो ये भाई साहब गए ऊपर. ठीक है? तो ये जब गए ऊपर तो दिस बिकम्स 2G रूट ओवर 2G आता है. ये 4G कहाँ से आता है? Is it?
half mVE square by half.
अच्छा इधर एक हाफ को भूल गए हम लोग. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. तो इधर एक 2 आ गया, इधर एक हाफ था, ये हाफ को भी ऊपर पहुंचाएंगे तो ये 4 हो जाएगा. ठीक है? यू नो व्हाई आई डिड नॉट आंसर इमीडिएटली? बिकॉज व्हाट यू हैव डन इज रूट ओवर जी एम बाई आर है, यहाँ पे 2 है, m के जगह पे m1 प्लस m2 लिख दो. डू नॉट इंटरप्रेट लाइक दैट, यू शुड डिराइव. ठीक है? That is a mistake you have done. So if I do it, you will understand. The concept for finding velocity, escape velocity, was finding the total energy and making it 0. Okay? So at this point, potential energy because of this mass, and because you are projecting a missile, so it will have its own kinetic energy. But the point where it is going to reach in the ultimate space, there nothing is there. You know? So that's what. So finally you get this is not the answer, you got this as the answer. So even if it's a level 2 question also, simply knowing basics will help you crack it. Okay? So